In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams account, a beginner's guide designed to help you navigate through this process with ease. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal collaboration, setting up a Microsoft Teams account is a straightforward task that opens up a world of possibilities for virtual communication. To get started, the first step is to download or log into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't used it before, you'll need to download the application onto your computer or device. Simply search for Microsoft Teams using your preferred web browser, and you'll find the download page readily available. If you're already familiar with Microsoft Teams on another device, you can log in directly without needing to download again. Once you've accessed the download page, look for the download link for your operating system. For most users, this will mean clicking on the option to download Microsoft Teams for Windows. This part of the process is crucial as it ensures that you're getting the correct version for your device. Simply click the download button and the installation file will start downloading immediately. After the download is complete, it's time to open the installation file and install Microsoft Teams onto your computer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and deciding on the installation location if prompted. Next, if you don't have an existing account, you'll need to sign up for a new one. This process is straightforward. Open the installed application and look for the sign up option. You'll be guided through a series of prompts asking for details such as your name, email address, and any other necessary information. Make sure to use an email address you have access to, as this will be vital for account verifications and notifications. If you already have an account, you can simply click on the Continue button to proceed without creating a new account. This is a seamless option for users familiar with the Microsoft ecosystem, as you can use existing credentials from other Microsoft services to log in. Finally, once you're logged in or have created your account, you're ready to start exploring Microsoft Teams. You'll be greeted with a screen that confirms your successful setup. Congratulations, you have now set up your Microsoft Teams account. From here, you can begin to create teams, join existing ones, and explore the many features that this powerful application offers. Remember, Microsoft Teams is built to facilitate communication and collaboration, so don't hesitate to dive in and start using it for meetings, projects, and discussions. Thank you for watching this guide, and happy collaborating on Microsoft Teams.